Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to review the MAXtv app. The MAXtv app is a TV and streaming platform that combines live television, sports, movies, documentaries, and on-demand content in one application. In real use, the biggest advantage is convenience. Instead of switching between different apps for live TV, sports, and movies, MAXtv keeps everything in one place. The built-in TV guide also makes it easier to check schedules and browse channels like a traditional cable experience, but on mobile devices. One useful feature is the replay system that lets you watch missed TV content for up to 14 days. This is practical for users who miss live broadcasts or want to catch up later without recording shows manually. The app also supports binge watching with automatic next episode playback, personalized recommendations, and custom watch lists. These features make the experience feel closer to modern streaming platforms like Netflix-style services rather than old-school TV apps. In terms of content, sports fans may find it valuable because premium sports coverage is one of its biggest selling points. It also includes family content, documentaries, and children's programming, so it tries to cover multiple audiences in one subscription. However, the experience depends heavily on internet speed and regional content availability. Some users may also find the interface less polished compared to larger global streaming platforms. Another thing to understand is that content quality matters more than app features, so value depends on whether the included channels and shows match your interests. Overall, the MAXtv app is worth downloading if you want a mix of live TV, sports, and on-demand streaming in one platform. It is especially useful for users who still enjoy traditional channel-based viewing combined with modern streaming features. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.